Now here's what I did to clean the drive-by-wire throttle body without removing it. First, I turned the ignition on, then put something on the gas pedal to make sure the throttle valve is open, then rubbed it with rubbing alcohol. Now that's how I did it this time. Now, this is how you do it. If you have a OBD tool, connect it to the OBD port. If you don't have it, then disconnect the battery for 2 to 5 minutes, then proceed to the next step. In my case, I have a OBD tool, so what I did is I went to the all system diagnostics, then I selected 16 pin DLC, then general, then I waited for the it to load. Select OK, hit health report to make sure that I don't have fault codes. Make sure the gear lever is in park or neutral, then it will scan, then wait for it to finish. After scanning, what I did is I went to maintenance function, then select ETS. If you don't have it, proceed to the next step. I selected Honda/Acura, waited for it to load, then I selected functions, selected Honda, switch it on, switch the ignition on. I tapped TP position check. This is what you need to do after cleaning the drive-by-wire. Make sure your gear lever is in neutral and set the parking brake on. Then hit OK. Then it is cleared. The ECM PCM will reset. Make sure it is in parking brake and it switch on ignition on. Okay. Now I will reset or relearn the throttle body position and idle learn it. Now I will tap throttle learning. This is a must after cleaning the throttle body because the engine will adjust how much air is entering the engine because you removed the gunk on the throttle body. Make sure the gear shift is in neutral, the parking brake is on. Okay, it has been resetted. And after that, follow the procedure that the maintenance has provided. Now, this is the procedures used by Honda since they use the drive-by-wire system. If you don't have an OBD tool, remove the battery, negative and positive, then wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Then after that, replug it again, go inside the car. Make sure all electrical items like air condition, audio, lights are all turned off. Then make sure your gear lever is in neutral and the parking brake is on. Then turn the ignition on, count for 2 seconds, 1, 2, start the engine, hold the engine speed at 3000 rpm until it reaches the normal operating temperature, which is 90 degrees or 194 degree Fahrenheit with no engine load. After that, or if you don't have a OBD tool, which you can see the coolant temperature, wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Then after that, after you reach 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degree Fahrenheit, the normal operating temperature, let the engine idle for 5 minutes. Then close the door. After 5 minutes, turn on the AC and let it idle for 5 minutes more. After that, you successfully learned the new idle speed. After this, there is no misfires, erratic idle. The RPM will stay in 750 to 800.